Alright, we're over here at the laundromat. We're getting set up for the new dryers that are coming in. A couple problems we had. So we don't want to close down at all while we put the new dryers in. So we're going to, kind of batch install them. Do about 3 or 4 or 5, something like that. Keep the old ones, get these hooked up, and then take the old ones out and finish them. We had to bring the TV up. The new dryers are actually 45 stat dryers. So they go up a little bit more. We got to cut this all out. The electric's a little bit bigger too. So we need to change the electric from 110 to 220 for each machine. So we got to have new whips for all of them. And the vents, right now the vents are all 6-inch coming out. They all go to a giant duct up here and then out the roof. We're going to, since the new ones are 10-inch instead of 6-inch, we're going to do a lot of them just direct vent out the back wall and out. So trying to do this as we're open now, not trying to close down for a week to get the new dryers in. That's kind of the struggles we're in. We got to bring them over here. We don't have a warehouse or anything to store them, so whatever we bring over, we got to install right away. And we still want to be in, operation, have customers in here doing laundry and stuff. So that's the update on these new dryers, and I'll throw another video in once we get these up and running.
I want to at least get all the stuff worked out. And then we're going to need smaller nipples.
Rule 4. Yeah, you got that right. You see it over there.
Alright, so we got all these set in place. All the electric is hooked up. The vents are hooked up. The gas is hooked up. They all work. They all been running. These are the touchscreen models. I do have to do some more trim work. You see the trim up top. We got to paint this wall still. Put side trim on. Fix the bottom trim. We're doing a whole new floor in here. This was all painted concrete. And then we did try to do epoxy over it. Just the DIY, do it yourself. So it's coming up. You can see a lot of spots like right there and stuff. It's coming up. We got the new double changer. We used to have 2 singles here. We got the big soap machine. We used to have the single old school one. Cameras. So we're gonna get this all, the new LVT glue down floor in. New dryers. We'll probably upgrade, either get a new vending machine or get like maybe a claw machine, something like that. There's all these stupid top loaders. A lot of them are out of order right now. They keep breaking, these Maytex keep breaking down, out of order. out of order, out of order, out of order. So we'll get those fixed up. And definitely have to do the floor. But let me show you behind these dryers to show you how it looks and how it's going. Have to do a little bit more work back here. Okay, so this is how it looks back there, nice and clean. So we're keeping, this used to have a big trunk line up here, and now we are venting all these straight out. We're keeping the old trunk line, which is back here, for makeup air. That's kind of hard to see. I'll go down here. So we got each one of these, gas line over, electric over, and vented up and out the wall. We gotta put a new box in, electric panel up here, because these are 45 reversing dryers, and they take 220, they don't take 110 anymore, so we gotta upgrade to electric. So we may need some more makeup air too, as this was our old makeup air and one over there too. And now we have the 2-foot main trunk line going up to the roof. But we might need some more makeup air, because each one of these machines, we have 10 of them, they each need 1 foot by 1 foot of makeup air, so through the wall. So we definitely don't want to have a vacuum back here, so we might need some more makeup air. But we're still working on finishing up the vents outside. We gotta cut them, put elbows on them, make them all nice and neat. But I'm just glad we got these all up and running for our customers.